on, right now we're gonna prank call a bitch. What's the... Hold on a minute.
You're recording me and I'm recording you. Alright, you gotta make this full screen, Mallory. Yeah. I won't talk.
Here we go.
Sorry, I didn't get that. To search for a business, say your city and state, or enter a zip code. You can also say a service, like traffic, or say, tell me my choices.
Michigan.
Checking Michigan. What city was that?
Kalamazoo.
That's Kalamazoo, Michigan, right?
Yes.
What business or type of business?
McDonald's.
Okay, McDonald's. What street is it on? Or say, I don't know.
I don't know.
I found 9 locations. When you hear the one you want, just say it. Stadium Drive, West Kalamazoo Avenue, Bow Road, West D Avenue, Riverview Drive, South Sprinkle Road, South 9th Street, or the one on West Main Street. That's all the choices. To hear the list again, say repeat. Or to do a new search, say start over.
Stadium Drive.
Okay, there are 3 numbers for McDonald's at 4310 Stadium Drive. The first one is 269-372-3028. The second number is 800-244-6227. The third one is 269-372-3029. Say your directions or connect me.
Connect me.
Hang on while I connect you to the first number. Say stop, cancel. Connecting.
I muted it. They want to hear it. Damn it. They're not answering?
Being a little cunt, you fucking bitch.
In the menu, say a city and state, or say direction directions.
How long is this video going to be? And put your camera back on.
Movies. Do you want to look in and around Alexandria?
Start over.
Mallory.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Bitch.
Sorry, I still didn't get that. To search for a business, say city and state, or enter a zip code using your telephone keypad. You can also that's Denton, Texas, right?
No!
Sorry, that's Denton, Texas, right?
No!
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't get that. To search for a business. Sorry, I still didn't get that. To search for a business.
Freedom, you need a mic.
Sorry, I didn't get... Sorry, I still didn't get that. To search for a business, say city and state, or enter a zip code using your telephone keypad. You can also say a service, like weather, or say, tell me what it is.
McDonald's.
Searching in and around Climax. I'm finding one in Galesburg. Would you like that?
Yes.
Okay, there are two numbers for McDonald's at 10280 Miller Drive. The first one is 269-665-7569. The second number is 800-244-6227. Say directions or connect me.
Connect me.
Hang on while I connect you to the first number. Say stop to cancel. Connecting.
You better pick up the phone this time.
How many times are you gonna do that?
Hello? Do you sell the Whopper?
I didn't want to do that. I did not. I'm doing it. Bye bye, my peeps. See, here's Facebook. And me.